I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting everything in one place so you know what you're working with. First, sort by child, grade, and subject. Make 3 piles: keep, review, toss. Once sorted, choose a storage approach that fits space and future access: archival boxes for originals, plastic sleeves for art, or cloud folders for scans. Make sure to buy labels and a simple index template now so you can continue without stopping. This first step sets the system's foundation. Once you've chosen your method, start digitizing priority items. Scan at 300 dpi or photograph flat artworks. Name files with a clear convention like child, grade, subject, date. Next, create folders and an index spreadsheet that references each file path so retrieval is fast. For physical pieces you keep, place them in acid-free sleeves and school boxes labeled by year. Use visible spine tags for quick shelf scanning. Make sure to schedule this work in short sessions so quality stays high and the project keeps moving. You finish by setting maintenance rules. Schedule a yearly review to remove duplicates and low-value items so clutter doesn't return. Backup digital files with a 3-2-1 strategy, 2 local copies plus 1 cloud, and test a restore once a year to confirm integrity. Once done, assemble a highlights album to share with family and return originals to archival storage if they matter long-term. If something goes missing or is damaged, check the index. Restore from backup and replace with the best quality digital copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.